some thank you notes. Thank you to our nurses, doctors, RT, PT, phlebotomists, and all caregivers for caring without compromise. Thank you to our medical supply teams running the gauntlet to keep our teams safe. We are 1U, strong, resilient, and we have your back. Thank you.
I just want to say thank you to all the healthcare workers and environmental staff who are working so tirelessly to help keep me and my family safe. Thank you for all that you're doing during these challenging times. Here's a note of gratitude for you and your teams.
I just wanted to take a minute and sincerely thank all of our frontline healthcare workers. Words don't adequately express how grateful I am on a personal level, knowing we have such an amazing team here at the University of Utah. We truly appreciate you guys and want you to know that on a personal level, myself and my family, we're doing everything we can to make your jobs easier in slowing the spread of COVID. Please hang in there. We love you. We think about you often and are so appreciative of you.
Just wanted to take some time to thank those wonderful people up there at the university that are not horsing around and are getting down to business, taking care of all those patients up there at the university. Thank you.
Greetings, Frontline. As a Coast Guard veteran with disaster experience, I can tell you these hard times do pass. I am often thanked for my service, and now it is my turn to thank you. God bless.
Thank you for your professionalism, your expertise, and your compassion. Thank you for showing up every single day during this crisis. This thank you note is for you.
We just wanted to say thank you to all the University of Utah healthcare workers for everything they're doing for the state of Utah in this crazy pandemic we're dealing with. Thank you so much, and we wanted to drop this note for our note of gratitude. Thank you.
Thank you, healthcare workers.
Do you say thank you?
Do you say thank you?
There are times in our lives when we need help, and that time is now, and you have been that help. Thank you. Thank you for the long, tiresome, stressful hours that you're putting in on our behalf every day and every night. It is not going unnoticed, and we are so grateful. So thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi, this is Catherine Klodovich in the telehealth department, wanting to thank everyone on our front lines for the amazing work that you do and the legacy of caring and selflessness and courage that you will be passing on for generations to come. Thank you. Happy holidays and stay safe.
Today, as I was writing my letter of gratitude to you all, I couldn't help but wish that you had been there this spring as staffed the Project Protect sites and felt the love of the volunteers and the compassion and the real emotion that they felt about being able to assist and protect you in this really difficult time. As I write all of this down now, I realize that there is so much that we're not able to do. We're not able to, take care for your kids and rake your leaves and bake you a casserole, which are all the things that we would love to do to support you, but we can't in a pandemic. So today I wrote down some things that I'm going to do to commit to you and to pay it forward. I will be showing my gratitude by staying home, by wearing a mask, and by using my role as a communications manager within marketing and outreach to share your stories, to tell the people about the science, about the sacrifices that you're making, and about the real cost of a pandemic to our healthcare workers. I am so grateful, and I know that 6 million masks that were homemade by our volunteers go to show that there is so much gratitude in the community for the work that you're doing, and so much love as well. So I'm folding it up, putting it away, and I hope you feel it.
Thank you for our healthcare hero.
We just wanted to thank you for being a healthcare hero. Thank you for going to work every day and working tirelessly to keep the community and our patients safe. We mask up for you.
As I've watched the healthcare providers in the front line of the COVID pandemic, I've been reminded of the first responders after big events. I think of 9/11, earthquakes, hurricanes, things of the like. These providers are selfless, and their entire focus has been to save the lives of their patients. It's been awe-inspiring.
I wanted to take a moment to express my deep gratitude to all of those on the front lines caring for patients with COVID-19. The sacrifices you are making are not going unnoticed. Thank you.
Nurses, frontline clinical staff, thank you so much for all that you're doing for all of us here in the state of Utah. I appreciate it, and I will wear my mask for you. Thank you.
To those of you fighting the COVID battle on the front lines every day, I wanted to send my thanks and gratitude to you for all that you do. I think that you are a hero, and so grateful for all of the knowledge and skills and training. And I want you to know that there are so many of us out there who are so grateful for you and who are cheering you on and praying for you and thankful for you and your service and sacrifices every day.
In this time of thankfulness, this thanks to you is long overdue. To my colleagues at the University of Utah Health, particularly those of you who have been in any capacity dealing for the last 9 months with this extraordinary pandemic, surges, illness, death, stress, anxiety, and you're still at it. You have my deepest, most sincere thank you and my enduring admiration for the incredible job that you are doing. Please, please, please do not lose hope. We will get on top of this thanks to people like you. And to the best you can, have a very happy Thanksgiving.
To all the doctors, nurses, and support staff who are treating COVID patients at University of Utah Health, I want to drop this note in the jar to say thank you for all that you're doing for all of our patients in our community. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
My name is Tad Morley. I'm the Executive Director of the Office of Network Development, Outreach, and Telehealth. Along with my team, I want to express our appreciation for all of you and the great work that you're doing. We couldn't be prouder to be part of this great team. I'm adding my thanks to this already overflowing expression of gratitude. Thank you to the people who are caring for patients, physicians, nurses, EMTs, medical assistants, therapists. Thanks to the nutrition service workers who are keeping us fed. Thanks to the supply chain who are keeping PPE in supply and all of the supplies needed during this difficult time. Thanks to the facilities and maintenance crew who are adapting facilities every time we turn around, and housekeeping and the sterile supply and operating room and the people who are working the testing centers. Thank you to the ambulatory crew. Thank you to the people who are working data so that we can know what to expect and can predict trends or identify trends. Thanks to the business office who are keeping us solvent and helping us to continue on. Thanks to our great leaders, to Gordon Crabtree and the executive team for their leadership and support. Thanks to everyone who's making it possible for us to continue on through this difficult time and focus on taking care of patients. We want to express our gratitude to every member of this team. We're grateful to be part of this team, and we're proud to be a member of this great University of Utah. We hope you have a happy and safe Thanksgiving.